Hi guys, in front of me is NOKIA G60 and let me show you how to perform a soft reset of this phone. Basically all you have to do is to tap on power button along with volume up button, so let me just hold this device like this and tap on both buttons. Keep holding and still keep holding until you see the logo again. And now you can release the buttons and just smoothly wait till your device is rebooted, and then you'll be able to use it in a normal way. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.